Daddy Scrubs make every dad feel special and involved during one of life's most exciting times. Get your Daddy Scrubs at daddyandcompany.com.
Welcome to My Life as a Dad. Today's guest is Benjamin Watson. What would be your number one piece of advice to the 20-year-old dad who's just kind of stumbling into the picture and his wife or girlfriend says, "I'm pregnant"?
Don't run.
Don't run.
Because I tell you, it's quite a load of responsibility that a man feels when they're told they're going to have a baby. It's like nothing else, because you realize that there's going to be a child that's going to look to you as their hero. Even if you don't realize it, there's something in a man that knows that that's what's coming. And for some men, it can be overwhelming. And I think it goes back to what I said about being willing to admit fault, to make mistakes, to grow, to try it, and to understand that you don't have to be perfect. Mm-hmm. I think that the burden and the flee or fight mechanism kicks in with a lot of guys because they feel like, I don't know how to do this, and so I don't want to have any part of it. Or they respond another way and they just aren't responsive and they're just kind of there, but they're not really engaged in. And just my biggest piece of advice would just be to try. Mm-hmm. To try and to find someone who you think is a good dad, even if it wasn't demonstrated for you. There are people in all of our circles that we believe are doing this thing as best as they can, and to get with one of those people and say, "Hey, I need some help." Ask questions, but be willing to do it because it's the most rewarding thing.
How did you best learn to bond with your kids?
I think the bonding started early. Even in the delivery room, I can remember the skin to skin. Mm-hmm. You know, when they lay on your chest, and even getting up at night sometimes. My wife nursed for a year for all of them, mm-hmm. and I clearly don't have the equipment to nurse. Right. But the way they work it out now is you can actually feed the baby in the middle of the night if you get the milk in the bottle. You can actually feed the baby. Right. So getting up when you can, feeding the baby, changing diapers. Getting on the floor with them sometimes. You know, my knees hurt sometimes, so I'm not always on there, but when I can, I'm on the floor with them playing. The key is spending time. Mm-hmm. And I've actually heard men say that, well, you know, the baby's only, 1, 2, 3 years old. They're not gonna remember this anyway. I say that when we go to Disney World so many times, my wife can tell you, I feel like, baby, they're not gonna remember this. But one thing I think they do remember, or at least they get the bond, is when a father spends time with them, whether it's feeding them, chopping the food up and feeding them, mm-hmm. Embracing them, telling them you love them, changing their diaper, doing all those things. I think that's how you make the connection with your child. If you're not there, there is no way you are going to come back later in their lives and show up and expect them to listen to you and expect you to have any type of influence on their life if you didn't spend time with them before.
My Life as a Dad.
Any man can be a father, but it takes someone special to be the daddy. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Click here to subscribe to our channel. We'll have new videos every Tuesday. Click here to like and click here to share with your friends. Sponsored by Daddy and Company, the perfect gifts for dad. Get 15% off your next purchase at daddyandcompany.com using promo code MLAAD15.